All right, so I'm gonna show you how to check these primer bulbs to make sure they're good so that you can get your outboard started without any problems. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the primer bulb right here. You can see this one is nice and soft, nice and supple. So here's an older one right here. You can see this thing is super hard. It's hard plastic now. It's not supple rubber anymore. If you shake your old one, you can hear the little ball in there. That way you know it's working. So when you squeeze it, it sucks gas up from the gas tank, goes right here into the primer bulb, then it goes out here to the outboard, into the fuel filter, up to the carbs. Basically just a little siphon so that you can get the gas flowing until the motor starts. They make them in a 5/16 and a 3/8 inch hose barb, so you're gonna wanna make sure you get the right ends for the size fuel line that you have on your boat. If you go and squeeze it and no gas comes out the end of it, then you know you got a problem. You go to start the boat, and it never starts. I bet you if you take the fuel hose off where it goes into the outboard and you squeeze this thing, no gas comes out. Then you know the check valve on the inside is bad. You'll never get your outboard started like that, ever. You gotta replace it, but they're cheap though, so that's good. I just get it installed on the fuel hose and I make sure to use 100% stainless clamps so that they don't rust out. They seem to last a couple seasons, you know, a couple years. The thing is, the gas just sits in them and then they get rock hard like this one, and then you gotta replace them. There's nothing you can do with them. I make sure to check these every single boating season to make sure they're nice and soft and they work well so that I don't have any problems starting my boat. Check you on the next one. Later.